Minister of Foreign Affairs Carl Greenidge, who is currently performing the functions of President, today officially opened the National Capacity Building Workshop for Guyana's National Committee on Trade Facilitation in support of implementation of the World Trade Organization's Trade Facilitation Agreement.
The forum is a result of ongoing engagements between the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development and the Government of Guyana. According to Minister Greenidge, it provides an opportunity for discussion on a subject that is very important to Guyana, strengthening the nation's competitiveness, increasing exports, and growing the economy.
Trade facilitation is a key component of trade policy and involves collaboration with a number of partners. I'm therefore pleased to see the wide representation of the regulatory agencies of Guyana's National Trade Facilitation Committee, the NTFC, here today. I believe that this reflects your understanding of your roles in facilitating implementation of this agreement.
What exactly is the Trade Facilitation Agreement and why is it even necessary? Minister Greenidge explains that despite the gains to world trade through dismantling of tariffs and quota systems, the continued presence of inefficient and unpredictable measures remains a barrier to global trade. There are some bureaucratic delays and red tape which make the process of moving goods across borders a burdensome one for traders.
Therefore, the completion of negotiations on the Trade Facilitation Agreement, which entered into force on the 22nd of February 2017, following its ratification by two-thirds of the WTO membership, has been seen as a watershed moment for the world trading system. It was meant to contribute to the simplification, modernization, and harmonization of export and import processes. In essence, it should ensure that global trade grows faster, is cheaper, and more predictable.
For InfoHub, FELECIA Valenzuela.